Checking your transaction history on eBay is essential for managing your purchases and sales. This guide will walk you through the steps to access your transaction history easily. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, hover over the My eBay option at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, click on Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Access the purchase history. In the account settings, look for the purchase history option on the left sidebar. Click on it to view all your recent purchases made through eBay. Step 4. Review your selling history. If you want to check your selling transactions, go back to the My eBay menu and select Selling. Here, you will find your sold items and their transaction details. Step 5. Filter and download your history. To make it easier to find specific transactions, use the filter options available on the purchase or selling history pages. You can also download your transaction history as a CSV file for your records. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on eBay. Regularly reviewing your transactions can help you keep track of your spending and sales effectively.